Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the Lewis structure of FCN molecule. It's a chemical formula of cyanogen fluoride. For determining its Lewis structure, let us count the total number of valence electrons. We have one fluorine atom having 7 valence electrons, one carbon atom having 4 valence electrons, and one nitrogen atom having 5 valence electrons. Now that gives us a total of 16. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place carbon in the center as it is the least electronegative element out of the three and arrange fluorine and nitrogen atom adjacent to it. And then we will place pair of electrons in between each atom for bond formation. So let us do that. Now fluorine and nitrogen needs 6 electrons more and carbon needs 4 electrons more for attaining octet. So we will assign 3 electron pairs to fluorine atom. If we assign 3 electron pairs to nitrogen, we will use all our valence electrons and carbon won't be able to complete its octet. So to avoid that, we will move 2 electron pairs from nitrogen to in between carbon and nitrogen. Now that will result in formation of triple bond. Thus every atom in this molecule has complete octet and this is the final Lewis structure of FCN molecule. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.